Hey guys, this is Rosie and welcome to my channel, The Stylish Sicilian. Welcome back. So today's video is going to be a little more chill. I thought we would just hang out in my room while there's always going to be some shopping in this video, but this one's going to be a little bit more different, a little more fun. So I wanted to bring you along the way while I shopped at the TikTok shop, which I don't know about you, but every time I'm mindlessly scrolling for way too long, I'm always like met with an ad to shop now through the TikTok shop. And I always was wondering, like, how does that even work? Like, what is this? It's a whole world that I was afraid to jump into, but I did see a few videos on YouTube where people were trying stuff on and figuring it out themselves as well, and it really piqued my interest and I wanted to see. So a lot of the videos I was watching was telling me that it basically would come pretty quick, your order, like almost like Amazon minus the cost of the Prime price, and also the price of the product was so much cheaper. Like how? The only thing I was thinking, I did do some research online to see, and there's a lot of theories out there, but I feel like they're all the same store, like they're all coming from the same manufacturers and warehouses and whatever. And I think that what they're doing is they're just trying to get it to you cheaper, so that kind of just brings you over to that like marketplace. But I don't know, that's just my like theory, but we'll see. But a lot of these are so cheap in fact. I did not spend more than $11 on any of these items. And because I can't really link anything in the description box below like I usually do, I'm gonna just show you a screenshot of each item so you can see like what the TikTok shop name is and the price. Hey guys, so I made a mistake. I am apparently a TikTok grandma, and I can post the links to all these items below. I forgot about share buttons. So I will still post all these below and also still have the screenshots throughout the video so you can see them. I still don't get a commission, but it makes it easier for you to shop. Now, keep in mind, the price you're gonna see on the screen is not gonna be what I actually paid for. There are so many coupons that I got so much of it. Literally, the most I spent, like I said, was $11, but most of the items were like $5 to $6, $7 at most. Literally only one probably cost me $11. So, I mean, obviously it's probably gonna be giving us a bit of like a Temu vibe, but I'm curious, and I thought you would be too. And no, this video is not an ad. I don't even get a commission on any of these items that you would maybe buy because I can't link them. But it's so fun. I still thought we should do this, right? And I think it'll be worth it. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna grab my order, and we're gonna look through and see what I got. And before we go any further, if you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video. It helps me so much more than you even know. And I really do have fun here, and I try to have fun with you guys, and I do some fun giveaways sometimes, so you'll want to stay tuned. All right, let's get started. First thing is this chunky knit cardigan, and I'm gonna put a picture here of what it is, the seller, and the price. Now this is not what I paid for it. I'm pretty sure I paid for this like around $11. So don't even think that that's the final price on screen. But okay, this is just like an oversized chunky knit cardigan, and I've been wanting one for a while, so I was like, why not? Let me try it here. And I was expecting like just terrible material, and I am shooketh. This is actually really soft. Now it's not like, I wouldn't go as far as say buttery soft, but it's buttery soft sister. This is great. I'm so like impressed how nice this feels. Like I've bought some sweaters from like Amazon before, and I just never feel like they're that comfortable, that nice. But this is so cute and so comfortable. This is, I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna keep all this because even, honestly, the price was like so good that even if I'm like, a little bit, as long as they're kind of nice and comfortable enough to me, I feel like I'm gonna keep a lot of these things, but we'll see, unless it's like terrible. But for $5, is it worth it for me to even drive to the store for like any of these items? We'll see. Anyway, but how cute, guys. I can't believe it. I'm gonna try to like just post that image one more time. Like this is one to get, like get this chunky cardigan. So cute. I'm gonna give you a better look, but like comfortable and long and soft, and it feels like really good quality for really nothing. This price was crazy, and it doesn't have any kind of like odd scent or anything, which I always wonder about that, but no, so cute. This is a keep. TikTok has got me so far, but let's see how well it keeps going. But yeah, let's keep going. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna post the image of it right here, and I'm pretty sure this one has an image of Kim Kardashian, so it's safe to say this is not Skims, but it's obviously trying to like be Skims, but for a fraction of the price. Now, I haven't actually tried this one on, but I did feel the fabric at a Nordstrom's once, and I could tell you it's not the same. Is it comfortable? So. And again, I have black furniture. I know I really need to get a different set of furniture in here. It's just like a ribbed, cheapy material. It's not that great, but I'm pretty sure this was like in the $5 range, even though, image again, it's not showing up as that, but it was so cheap. Like, honestly, you're not paying that price. Now, I don't know. I mean, if you really want this Skims look, but you can't afford the Skims price, and this works for you, I don't think you'll care. But it's not gonna give you like that soft, like some, you know, like buttery, you know, more like nicer fabric that she's probably selling it in, but it's gonna give you the look. So cute, and everything I kind of got true to size. I try to like look at the measurements, so I try to stay in that range of what I am. So everything was pretty much either small or medium, depending on what their measurements were saying. So just like look at that, look at reviews. I always find that really helpful. I think everything's pretty much a small, except all the tighter materials. I bought them in a medium because we're in that world now. Yeah, it's cute. I don't know if I'll keep this one, but I don't know, maybe I'll give it away. If you stay tuned, maybe I'll throw it up as a giveaway soon. We'll see. I have to marinate on it. I'll give you a close-up of what that looks like. So not so bad. You can see the back. Yeah, it's whatever. You know, it's cheap Skims knockoff. That's basically what it is. Obviously, because that Kim is not trying to sell herself on TikTok shop from whatever website that's or whatever storefront that's calling itself. So, I don't know, this was meh, but it was really cheap. Okay, so this lounge set, I got it in a small, and I probably should have sized up, mainly because the top is a scotch tight, and the band is a little bit tight too, so I feel like I should move it up. I thought it'd be kind of like baggy, I don't know, so it is actually really cute. The style looks to me the way it does on the TikTok shop, which I'll show you the image here so you can kind of see. If you're like wanting one of these, just like freeze the frame and try to see what that store is. But it is actually cute. It has pockets. It's actually very soft. I actually really like this. I'm not a fan of the band, but here we are. But it's very comfortable and cute. I like this. I feel like this is cute if you have like people coming over and you're hosting a dinner, but you don't want to try too hard, but you still want to look cool. This is a good vibe. It's like chic, chill, and cute. Guys, it's really soft. I wish you could feel it through the screen, but you kind of have me when you have something soft and pockets. Yeah, I'm feeling it. And again, these are really cheap. I'm gonna throw it back up on here, but this is not what I paid for it. I paid probably like $5 or $6, $7 at most. Like I said, only one of these items was $11. So not a bad deal, guys. I'll show you one more time. So comfy. You won't regret it. Just maybe size up. Again, pay attention to the ratings and the measurements. But yeah, and keep in mind that the band, a little tight. So, okay, I've seen this like stretchy jumpsuit go viral all over TikTok, so not something I would normally get, but I had to try it because it went viral and we're doing a YouTube video, right? So this one I did size up. I got it in a medium because I figured I could always use a little extra give, but it's actually really cute and really comfortable. And again, I'll put a picture here so you can see the price range and this TikTok shop and what it looks like online so you can get a real comparison. But if you could see, it's ribbed and it's supposed to kind of hug you more in the middle, which is appreciated. But honestly, I've never been a fan of just one big jumpsuit made of essentially legging material. But it's really nice because you do have padding in here, so you don't have to worry about wearing a bra and having straps show. And it does like feel very nice. I feel like very comfortable in it. I know I'm not gonna have fun when it's time to go to the bathroom. But very cute. Let me see if I could bring it a little bit closer so you could kind of see the material here and how it gives you a little bit more. Kind of has like that line here, so it really tightens that look here, just like as an illusion. But I just feel like it does give me a little bit of this. So just keep that in mind. It's just gonna make you feel like a tight little sausage. But yeah, I will put the image here one more time so you have a chance to freeze the frame and know where to go get it. But yeah, not bad. If you want one of these, this is good. And honestly, I think I got this again somewhere between the $5 and $7 range after I used my coupes. So, all right, TikTok shop, you're doing good so far on value. We're not upset. Okay, this one's really cute. I'm gonna put the image here so you can see a side by side of what was online and what I'm about to try, what I'm wearing. Okay, so this one was confusing because there's a lot of strings, but I figured it out. So it's really cute, a long little maxi dress. I feel like I see this style everywhere, and I can tell it's one of those looks that probably came from like House of CB or something like that and was just like ripped off a bajillion times. But let's talk about TikTok's version. So the material is really soft, it's really thin, and it does feel cheaper. And I don't like, I like that it's kind of like chill and kind of conforms to your body. I don't know, I just feel like it's a bit see-through, so you might want to wear like a nude tone underwear underneath, because yeah, that will happen. But I don't know, I'm not a real big fan of like having to worry about see-through anything, so just keep that in mind. But it is very comfortable, but again, if the material is what you're getting what you pay for it. Like, this probably costs, like I said, $5 to $7. It's a $5 to $7 material. But I'll give you a close-up. So it's cool because right here, it's kind of, you could like tighten it. This is like 2 different strings that you'd have to tie together. But really cute. I did size up, so this is a medium that I got. And it's cute. It's really comfy. I could see this being like easy to wear on vacation, Yeah, I'll give you a better close-up so you can see it kind of has this cute little lining here. Cute TikTok shop. It's better than I was expecting, to be honest. So we're, I guess, ahead, considering I was giving it like a Temu benchmark. So we're already above that, even though they're all probably from the same place, let's be honest. Now we'll put that picture up here one more time so you have a chance to screenshot it in case you want to go buy it. This jumpsuit is so cute. This was kind of what turned me on to wanting to do a TikTok shop, because I saw somebody wearing this in a TikTok shop ad and it made me want it. So that's where this is stemming from. But this one was about like $6-ish. But I'm gonna post right here a picture of what it is actually on TikTok shop and which vendor is selling it, so you could see that there. But it's so cute. It has kind of like a corset, like a faux corset right here, like a half corset you could say, and it zips up the back. But it's so cute because it's kind of like these wide pants. It's stretchy, it's comfy. I did size up, and I'm glad I did because it fits me really well. The top fits really good. I don't know, I mean, it is a thinner material. I kind of like it because right now we're kind of entering spring. We're having like 50-degree weather, and this feels kind of perfect for that, because as much as it's covering my legs and all, I do feel like it's good enough for like a light breeze. Little jacket, and it was really cute. But you can see what it looks like. I know it's hard in the dark, and then you can tell there's a zipper all the way to the top. But so cute, guys. Let me try to not be where there's black furniture. I love this, and I actually did end up wearing this the other night because I forgot to say that this came separately because I ordered it first and then I ordered the rest of this haul, and I was so excited to wear it and I felt like great in it. It was just very comfortable and fun to just go out to for dinner with. Very cute. So you will like this one. Again, I'm gonna post a screenshot here so you can see where to get it. So I know it's a keep, so keep. Okay, but guys, bad news. I went to try on this really cute pink linen looking, but not linen, dress, and I ripped it like right away. So I mean, I can't really get upset because it was literally like $5. But I will post a picture of what it looks like here, and maybe to tell you not to buy that one because it broke right away. So don't get that. But yeah, that's the image. It was a cute idea, but it basically gave me the answer I was trying to find out anyway. All right, guys, thanks for watching today's TikTok shop haul. What did you think? Were you into this? And also, do you shop TikTok? Because I'm curious to know. And what do you buy on there? What's your thing? Is it just kind of random? Or do you have like regular items you purchase? I want to know. Well, let me know if you liked anything from this haul. Maybe I'll give something away. If you tell me something specific, maybe I'll give it to you. We'll see. But if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and like this video because it helps me so much more, helps me grow. And I want to be here. I don't want to go anywhere. I want to hang out with you. But I hope to see you again then at next week's video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.